so terrified in my life. So apparently he can cook stuff on his trunk, but he can't make it down the interstate. You know what, Blake? I don't blame you. Well, this trip is going lovingly. Happy birthday, Blake.
Thank you.
All right, and welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a while since I've made a video, but we are back, and today's video is something that I haven't done yet. I've been really wanting to. I just haven't really figured out how to do it or the people to do it with, but now I finally figured it out. First and foremost, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Tell them what we're doing today.
We're going on a cruise.
We're going on a cruise. I apologize for the wind if that is messing up the audio. I do have the little dead rat on top of the microphone. Hopefully that's helping. But yes, you guys heard it right. We have a cruise today. So basically it is my buddy Blake's birthday and he wanted to do a cruise for his birthday. That's pretty much what he wanted. So basically we're getting the Miatas together. We have the white one. You guys have seen it in another video. We have the red one. And now we're just waiting for Blake, and I'm also waiting for my buddy Noel. I am super excited to go on this cruise. However, I am also a tiny bit scared taking two 30-year-old cars plus Blake's, so at least three 30-year-old cars all the way to Warner Robins to Buc-ee's. There's a destination. We will get a Buc-ee's outfit, I promise. But we'll see how it goes. Well, it could be nice, it could be bad. It's extremely cold outside, so I'm extremely scared. I got a jacket just to make sure, and if we do get to Buc-ee's, then we will have a Buc-ee's outfit that I am gonna buy. They have to have it in stock. If they don't, I'm gonna be so upset. But they will, and with that, we should be fun. Yes, look who it is, the birthday boy! Yes, sir! Yee! All right, we got a third one. Now we just need one more. Happy birthday to the man. What's up, Dad?
Hi.
Oh, man, you ready for this cruise?
Yeah, ish. I'm gonna tighten my wing down.
Yeah, ish, dude. He's gotta go in the back, dude, because if his wing falls off, we'll be over here. Yeet! Once again, this wing was installed by professionals,
What are you
us.
doing?
So he's gotta do his wing. So
5 minutes later.
all right, so we made it to the gas station in Turner County in Ashburn. We still got mine in one piece somehow. We got Blake's, hopefully in one piece. It doesn't really look like it. And then we got Sandra over here in the white one getting gas. I'm a little upset that like I can't get that many camera angles while I'm driving because I'm nervous about driving. But so far it's doing pretty good. We got a nice little thing going. Yes, sir. Look at how we're getting gas the Miata way. I want to see somebody else try this. He told me while we were on the way here, this is about a 30-minute drive to this gas station. He told me, he was like, I'm gonna punch it and I'm gonna see if my wing flies off. And I was like, okay.
Started wobbling really bad.
Oh god, it's all that downforce. That's why you were so much faster than us.
Right.
Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the top up and we can see if we can get on the interstate. Ain't nothing better than seeing a bunch of Miatas in front of you.
2 seconds later.
So, Blake's wing is not having it.
Yeah.
And my eye is welded to the temperature gauge on my car. Particularly cylinder 4, because that's what Miatas are known to have problems with. So we're on I-75, just chilling. We decided we're gonna go, but we're not gonna take the interstate. So yeah, a little bit less fun. I'm a little bit less terrified. And Blake just gotta figure out where we're gonna go, and then we'll go. This is the most fun I've ever had.
It's fun, all right.
Hey, his car looks fine though, look at that. You got Sparkos. You got a Sparko book bag? This motherfucker don't miss. You know what, Blake? I don't blame you. He said that he was going one day and it kind of like fell in one way, and then yeah. Holy Jesus! I have never been so terrified in my life. Yeah, he's taking it off. He said, "Fuck that." Where are you gonna put it? Well, this trip is going lovingly. Happy birthday, Blake!
I have an idea.
Damn, if only you had a convertible, bro. Put a seatbelt on that bit. All right, you think she's good to go? You're good, you're fine. All right, just a little pit stop in our cruise. Hell yeah.
You ready?
Yep, let's keep going.
Eventually.
Alright, and here we are. We made it to Buc-ee's. Good lord. That was about the scariest thing that I've ever done in my whole life. Dude, every semi, did you get this? Every semi that passed me on the left, my whole car started to wobble because of the damn wind. I was like, whenever I saw a semi, I was like 2 hands on the wheel. 2 hands. Imagine if I disconnected my steering wheel in the middle of the damn interstate. That would have been tragic. But we made it. The white one, like a champ. Then we got mine, also like a champ. Blake's, his made it here 95%. As you can see, the wing is magically gone. But that's okay. Listen, at least we're matching now. Status update on my back window. I really want a hardtop just like Blake's, but not like Blake's, if that makes sense. And as you can see, mine has started to crack from this cold weather. So it has extended. And just as we were coming, we found that the white one also has a little bit of a crack starting to go on. So anybody that says that soft tops suck, you're right. But yeah, as y'all can tell, Noel did not find his ass over here yet. So he said he's on the way, so he will be here. But yeah, let's recap everything that went wrong on this trip. One of them, your wing.
Yeah, I
kinda-
took it off.
Yeah, it was wobbling like a damn old man on Parkinson's. And then on top of that, my radio quit working 3 times.
Really?
So on my headrest, I heard like this, it sounded like bass, but like that fake bass. And then the third time it just slowly started to like slow-mo out. And I was like, all right, let me just turn that bitch off before it blows up. And I turned it back on about 10 minutes later, brand fucking new. It was working awesome. So I don't know what that could be. Yes, sir.
Copyrighted music, you can't have it on there.
I ain't making no money anyway, bit. Bruh. Nah, bro.
Come out so we can see it.
But you can probably try it on over there.
Just try it on over your clothes.
You're actually buying one?
Yeah, that's the whole reason why I drove up here. I mean, for your birthday, yeah.
I don't care about your birthday. I want
So what, you just put it on like this?
Never put on a onesie before?
When I was 5. We good.
Oh, this is that.
Bro, imagine if you like house.
Why?
Turn around.
My butt look good?
No.
Stupid dick.
And this with a hoodie on, so we straight. This with a, alright. Can I just
You
show
can walk
this?
out with it.
Can I show the tag? It'll be on later.
Yeah, you can walk out with it. That's what we did last time. We were like 8 deep with all Westies, bro. And then like 4 of us came back in to get some more.
Alright, we're getting this. You got my body on? Hey, those people were looking at me like I'm weird, bro. Like, mission accomplished. I got it. Alright. That's what we were coming here for. I told y'all in the beginning of the video. It was either to get this Miata to Buc-ee's and to get that outfit. Well, I did it. I did it. What you think? What you think, man? Is it worth it?
Not $25.
Huh?
Not $25.
Look, you get a tail for 25 bucks. That's worth it to me. And the fact the car made it here. But before we do it, let's go ahead and give him an oil check report. Let's give him an oil check report. Oh, that ain't mom. But as y'all can see, the sun is going down. Lighting's getting terrible. There's some good lighting out here though. But yeah, we made it. Blake, one more time, man. Happy birthday. You feel accomplished, bro? Hell yeah. And then we got Noel's truck, lower than all of our cars. But with that being said, like, subscribe. It's a great start to the year with these videos. The Miata did okay. Hopefully it can get us back. You know, if it doesn't, I'll post something. But yeah. Oh yeah, let's end it off with some red. Hell yeah, hold on. Hold on. Alright, your turn, Blake. What the hell?